I want you to think differently for just a minute. Imagine if I could show you a way to stop working for someone else. Stop going to a job every day that you don't like and stop sweating away for someone else. Start something for yourself on your own. You could start in your spare time and still have the security for whatever that's worth of your current position. You will be assigned a business mentor that will help you every step of the way. And the reason why we do this is one reason, because the only way we make money is when you make money. Ask yourself the following. Are you sick and tired of your dead-end job? Are you making enough money with your work? Have you been laid off and need a new opportunity? Do you want to be your own boss? Do you want to spend more time at home with your family? Are you unemployed and need money to pay bills? If you've answered yes to any of these questions, click on the link and one of our team members will be in touch to give you more information and to help you get started in your road to true financial independence and prosperity.